Alright guys, got a different video today. Something that doesn't happen every day, and that is new equipment day. So this is a 2023 Kubota KX33-4, low hours. It's got everything on it. Angle blade, hydraulic thumb, manual quick coupler, full cab heat AC radio. So it's pretty dialed. Really nice cab, got everything in here. It's got a nice little screen down here for all your settings. Joysticks feel super nice. Kubota's known for their joysticks because they still run wet sticks instead of electric over hydraulic like some of the other brands. Windshield washer fluids in the cab, so you don't have to worry about it freezing. Kubota does that in almost all their equipment, tractors, skid steers, excavators. It's got a sunlight, so if you're lifting really high, you can see. Overall, really sweet machine. It's even got power in the cab for charging camera batteries. For a heart, we got a 24 horsepower Kubota, or 25 horsepower Kubota diesel engine here. It's under 26 horsepower, so there's no emissions on this. Naturally aspirated. Under here's all your hydraulic block right here with all your hoses, super easy to get to if you need to replace anything, along with the battery and the radiator. We're gonna go ahead and get this glass cleaned because it's a little dirty and tighten up that light. As you can see, that's loose, so try to tighten that bolt up. Okay, that's tightened up, that was easy. Alright guys, all the windows are clean. Went ahead and scrubbed all the grease off the panels on the outside. Cleaned up the floor mat. It's looking a lot better. Now I want to go ahead, figure out this LCD screen here, and adjust this clock. Okay, clock set. Sweet. All right, it's really hard to film in here because it's so tight, but I just popped that cover off back there, and those are our in-cabin air filters. So those basically just filter the air that's coming into the cab. There they are right here. They are really dirty. Got that back in, that's all back together. Is this a filter wrench that it came with? Yeah, it looks like it. See if I fix the filter. Fits the oil filter. Oil? Yeah. Change the bucket. log piles over here, which I need to get to anyways, so I figured why not use it? Why not use the new excavator to clear some snow? I really like this grading bucket. This grading bucket is really nice. As you guys saw, I greased this, every joint on this before taking it out here. Everything looked like it'd been greased pretty well, except for the blade. The blade didn't look like it had been greased recently. Too recently, I should say. So that definitely needed a little bit of grease, but once I got some grease on that, it should be all set. So I got maybe an hour's worth of seat time on this. I used it to move that snow around, and then I had to go to the horse farm next door and dig up their sand pile that they use for ice control, and it was all frozen, so I dug it up. But I mean, this machine is awesome. The cab is super awesome to have, especially in the winter time. Now I do need to service it. The final drives were done at the dealership before we bought it, but the engine oil filters, fuel filter, and hydraulic filters need to be changed. So I got to do that. That's going to be another video. You'll also see I got the bucket off. I got to do something to that. That's also going to be another video. So if you want to see more of this machine, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss when more videos come out. But guys, that's all I got for this one. If you enjoyed this video though, please like and subscribe. Really helps out the channel, and I'll see you all in the next one.